Can I have food, please?
Hello everybody, my name is ThatSwifty. Today we're redoing my intro because I was listening to music this entire time and you just...
Wait, do you have a furnace?
Stop interrupting me intro! Freaking rude. But no, I don't. But I do have some cobble.
Okay, I'll take that.
So we are on an expedition to get some tropical fish for the axolotls. That we have back at home that I gathered between recordings. So,
I got one too.
Today we are here with Mango and C minor.
We're getting axolotls now.
Yeah, I know. I just literally just said that.
I know, but you said that we were getting trouble. Whatever. Okay, I'm cooking some pork chop.
I need fruit.
Oh my god. I might have to let this axolotl go.
Go. Tactical fishing.
I'm sorry,
Okay.
axolotl.
All of my buckets are filled with fish.
Nice.
Just
I'm gonna go see if I can get some moss from this ship because I really need moss. And apparently that's something you can get.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Well, I haven't yet.
How many shipwrecks have you opened?
3. I need just one bit of moss to go now.
Oh, I found potatoes. And a leather cap with mending on it. Jeez.
I will pay.
Why'd you leave the potatoes?
Because all I needed was these.
Those potatoes?
I
Oh.
have a treasure map.
Look.
You're bouncy, I know. It's gonna go in a second.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait, there's a savannah.
How about this one?
Ooh, yay.
Oh, wait.
He's getting close.
Quiet knows where the tropical fish are.
Oh, yeah, you stupid.
Got
Is that a problem?
Okay, I think we should go home.
Yeah, I just gonna write down these chords because I want to come get Acacia eventually.
I'm pretty sure there's probably a quicker way. Oh my gosh, there's just a lineup of turtles. They're like... Hi, turtles. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of you just vibing on the beach. And I think, yeah, one more in the water.
Oh my god.
Turtles!
Turtles attack.
I didn't actually bring any of my axolotls.
Neither did I. Well, I got them.
Oh. Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna try and get one sapling. For Mango.
Yeah, I want to build a carrot, so.
You what?
I thought that was a pretty simple sentence. I want to build a carrot. Get off my back. Jesus Christ.
You want to build a carrot?
I wanna build it. Oh, never mind.
I wanna do not copyright. Da, 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 da. You got a sapling, I saw it.
Yeah, Mango, do you think 5 is enough?
Yes.
Okay. Swifty, let's go. Do we
Where
know
are we
the chords
going?
at home?
Home.
Okay.
Do you know the chords to home?
No, I don't.
Yeah, neither do I. Mango, help.
Mango!
Okay.
Just don't type them in.
My house is at negative 454.
Wait, hold
Oh
on.
god.
X -4. Yes.
and negative 359Z.
Alright, we have a little while to go.
Yeah, just a little bit. Oh, there's a glow squid.
Wait, what's C again?
C.
Z.
Oh, Z.
Negative
Negative
three-
350.
yeah.
I wrote them down. Wait, Swifty, did you tell them? Did you tell the Swift peoples? What are you calling your like subscribers and like viewers?
I mean, Swift Peoples is kind of funny.
Swift the Knights.
Well, I'm not technically Swift Knight anymore.
Yeah, true.
Okay, come on. We'll continue riding by boat.
Boats.
No, that's dumb. I think I
Boats.
stole it. I don't know.
No, I haven't.
Boats. You ever seen a boat?
Yeah,
Boat.
I'm in one right now.
Boat.
Okay, the outside of my acorn is done. Epic. Okay. Interior time.
Interior time. Interior time.
We're almost out of the 1,000 positives. So
We aren't. We have 300 left, and we've been in 300 for like 2 hours.
It's like 4 minutes.
Jeez, big plot.
My acorn is so cute.
I want to see this acorn. Is it almost done?
Or it is done. Well, the outside.
Does like the acorns are like the ones that have like little hats, right?
Yes.
Yeah, what? Have you never been outside?
Yeah.
Probably hasn't.
I mean, I
Yeah,
have.
it's huge.
You can't. Just don't. We can just walk. Mango, we need you to go sleepies again.
And
You are so slow. Uh-oh, I just got pushed something. I'll race you.
through this
Hey, no!
You...
I'm like right behind you. You're trying to hit me in the hole.
I tried to H you back in.
Dooba dooba. Dooba dooba. Dooba 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 dooba. Dooba dooba.
Okay, we're in the 80.
Ow! Dooba dooba.
I need ladders.
Stop hitting me! Okay, Swifty, you don't need to put the boat here. Oh my god, I said that you don't need to.
Oh wait, you can't go through there?
Yeah, that's why I said you don't need to.
Okay, we're at 811 and we have to get to like negative 300. What's next? Samara, wait up!
No.
Yes.
We are back with the dreams. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Back with the dreams.
I still love the way the top of this acorn looks. It's like inside the actual building. It's so cool. It's an adorable little domed roof.
I kind of want to get a bee head. Damn it.
It's really hard to clutch with tropical fish rather than axolotls. Because they'll actually start dying as soon as you pick up the water.
I'm in 400.
I'm in 400 too.
I'm in 300.
I'm not in 300. I just clutched with a bucket and then fish went
Just
everywhere.
stop. Yeah, just stop because we're gonna lose all the tropical fish.
No, I haven't lost the tropical fish yet. I am in 300 though.
I'm probably gonna have to get more food soon or just eat the raw food. I think I'm like
I'm
here
in
because
200.
Same.
But it's negative. We have to be in negative.
I think I'm here because I see Mango. Do you have a like log?
I have a giant acorn.
Okay, never mind. I might know where Quiet Night is then.
The war continues.
Oh yeah, I'm like here.
Alright, what's the Z? I mean, what's the X again?
What was it? X? Like negative 470.
Negative 470. How are you already at negative 470?
No.
Oh, I'm right.
0,
I'm right behind you. I can see you.
Oh, hello.
No. Talk to smarter. I just ditched my boat in order to follow.
I tried to get a beehive.
Okay.
That was a dumb idea ditching your boat, Swifty.
I'm right behind you. I'm hoping I can get in your boat.
Doubt it.
Hey, no! Come on, please! Please!
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
But you have to give me a tip. One diamond. One diamond boat.
1 diamond for a boat ride! What do you think this is? Late game? This is boatway robbery.
Okay, this is your stop.
It's in the middle of the actual ocean. Can't make me
Okay,
get
fine.
out. You were in my boat most of the way.
Okay, get out.
You have to get out first.
No, because then you're just gonna steal my boat.
Okay.
Shoo. Thought. Wait, can I have the tropical fish?
No, not yet.
Okay. Okay, we need to.
We're at -3. Oh, we're here.
Yes, doofus.
Oh, but
Alright,
Okay.
what do we need to do?
We need to make a breeding area.
Okay.
you need to give me all of your diamonds.
Heck no.
Haha.
No, that was my try.
Yeah, that was a nice one.
No,
Okay,
baguette.
what are you doing?
Make your
Okay,
breathing
stop.
hole.
No, I said breeding.
Oh,
Oh my god, you idiot.
hey. Not my fault you can't speak English.
It's not my fault you can't hear. Okay, this is going to be the breeding zone. Why? No. Not fish. No, take them back out.
Boom. Infinite water flow.
No, take the fish out.
What, are we going to transport axolotls into here?
And then get out. Take the fish out and get out.
Okay.
Take the fish, get out.
Oh my god, why are you wearing a pig head? Okay, now.
I'm Technoblade.
Stop. Okay, which axolotl do you want the same color as? Like which?
Let's do like one of the yellow ones. Basu, banana, and sunflower. One of those.
Okay.
Oh, they're following me. Hold on.
No, I'll just get sunflower. Okay, and then what other one? Bazu's not being breeded.
The pink
But it
one.
would be.
Basu
It's
and
great.
Great. Okay. Brilliant.
I got banana and grape.
Oh yeah, sorry. Bazoo banana
Okay.
something.
Wait, do you have like a torch or something? Okay,
Why do we need a torch?
Okay.
Can we just drop a fish in?
No! Okay, give me a bucket. Hold on. No, don't give me
I
a
mean,
bucket.
you killed the fish.
Why did you put the fish in there, you idiot?
You didn't kill the fish though.
Oh my god. Yes, that's the point of them.
Why do
Okay.
we have to have these high walls?
So they don't escape.
They
Put the
won't.
wall back. Yes, they will. Okay.
No, they actually won't.
Ta-da, baby axolotl.
Baby axolotl. He's mine.
Okay, kind of rude.
Hey. I mean,
Okay.
you did take 2 of my axolotls to breed.
Okay, now I'll put them back. I will.
He's a pink one.
Yes.
This guy's gonna be named.
Okay, I'm going to take Nibble.
What should this guy be named?
And take Nibble and Dribble. Nibble and Dribble.
Nibble and dribble. Pink axolotl. What's pink? Peach.
Yes.
Peach.
We need to name one Mabel. For absolutely no reason.
Yeah, no reason.
Definitely not.
No. They won't escape, literally though.
They will. Okay, wait, can I have a bucket of tropical fish, please?
Uh-oh.
Oh my god.
That'd be
There's one in
sick.
there with you. Okay.
I need to go up to the breathing hole. Okay. There's Peach. Peach, that's you need a new one. Oh my god, Peach is so small.
Where'd you put Peachy? Okay, can I have
Peach
a
and
bucket, please?
Peachy. I'm gonna name the next one Peachy.
Wait, can you?
if
No,
it-
don't do. Stop. Give me the bucket. Thank you.
Oh, you actually have to like feed them live fish?
Yes.
I was gonna say no.
Hey. Okay. We're like out of fish.
I got 3 more, at least 4 more. I have 4 more.
Oh, okay. So we can do 2 more.
So
again.
do an orange one and another pink one. Orange and pink. Or I
Hold
want
on,
another pink one or an orange one. This
Okay, I'm
one
gonna
can
take-
be named
Hold on.
Drobble.
I want one. So
Dibble.
I'm gonna take
drop.
grape.
Drop.
Just
Drop.
grape. No,
Drop.
sunflower, get back in.
That's
Okay,
why I
I'm-
created like an airlock sort of thing. We have drop. And then we need to create drip.
Drip and drop. Dippin' dots.
Dippin' dots. Drop. And
Okay,
then we'll
can I have
have
the fish, please?
a thing where you can only take out like the pairs of the freaking.
Can I have the
Okay.
fish, please?
Here's a fish. Here's another fish.
We need to go back and get more
Okay,
fish.
so we have Bazoo and Grape.
Grape. Oh, no, grape has been breeded too recently.
Oh crap. Okay, hold on.
Go and get, like, banana or something.
So you want to? What color do you want?
Actually, no, wait, do we have another pink one? Like a grown-up pink one? Or no?
We have an adult pink one, I think.
Because grape was the only one that I saw. If not, just get a yellow one.
I'm being mobbed. I'm being mobbed. Help.
Oh my god.
Okay. We got grape. Another pink one. No, I don't have two pink. I'm gonna grab sunflower.
You're dying.
Yep, I know. Half a heart. Half a freaking heart. Someone that has been in this channel for a while would remember half a freaking heart.
Oh god, now you haven't closed the door and now they're stuck in there.
Yeah, hold on. They're coming. Okay, I'm taking that. Boom.
Oh my god.
Smart. Okay. Hello, sunflower. There we go.
Okay. Bazoo. Oh, Sunflower has been breeded too.
No, they haven't.
Oh no. Sunflower.
Okay.
Okay, which one
Maybe we
Oh
can...
no, see, Bazoo's escaping.
That's fine. Bazoo's fine.
He's
We
ready.
have 5 minutes
gonna-
before he starts dying. Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna make Bazoo his own house. So that's all your axolotls. I'm not going to.
Sunflower. What about banana?
I don't think so. I think banana was the first one that we did.
I got grape and banana, but hold on, I'm gonna die.
I'm clearing out an area for Bazoo's house.
Half a heart. There we go. Okay. And then we have sunflower.
Yeah, Sunflower is already birthday.
Oh wait, really? Okay, so then we have banana.
Okay, yeah, try banana.
Oh no, gerbil. Gerbil definitely is good.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, so we have grape and gerbil.
We have Bazoo. Okay, I need another bucket.
Okay, do you have... Oh, come on, we need one more bucket.
No, we just need one bucket.
Okay, but I really wanted one more pink one for...
It's fine, we can get another one. Okay,
Wait,
place another.
what did I want? Oh, here's the...
This is my one, okay?
Okay.
Wait, do you have another bucket?
No. Do you want me to feed Bazoo?
Yes.
No.
Oh my god. You killed it! Oh, great job.
Okay, well that went well. I mean, we got some more. For the
We need to
Swifty
come
army.
and get...
We got
we
more for
need-
the Swifty army.
Yeah. I still have... I want to name one...
Wait, can I have all my buckets back?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
My buckets, please.
I think that's all good.
4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that's this one. If you're wondering why this texture pack is kind of weird, it's because there's this hi guys. Oh, and then we have Peach.
Peach-a-roni.
Peach, and then we have Drip, and then Drop, and then...
Some hella creative names.
Well, we don't have
Drip,
Drop.
Drip.
We don't have Drop, but we have Drip. I mean, no, we
Yeah,
have
this is-
Drop. We don't have Drip.
I need a torch. Just stealing some torches.
My inventory is a mess. Now we can...
Love how Mango is like actually making his base, and then
I'm
me and
actually
Sophia
gonna-
just over here collecting axolotls, making
Yeah.
bases for them.
Yeah. Hey, axolotls are good. Axolotls
Yeah,
count.
sure. Yes, they are adorable.
And they're new. Mango's not doing anything with the new
Okay,
ones.
axolotls, can we agree, are the mascot for this server?
The axolotl empire. See, Mano, that's what we can call our area, the cliff area. Axolotl
Yes.
empire.
I kind of want to make now a giant, like, flying axolotl in the sky.
That would not turn out well, probably.
Well, we'll try and make it in creative mode first.
Still. The
It's so cool.
axolotl empire.
Sounds cool. Kind of sounds like something from Star Wars, though.
Dun, dun. Axolotl empire. Oh my gosh, that's an acorn.
Yes.
You're welcome.
The best compliment ever. Oh my god, that's an acorn.
You know, I
I
thought you
have
would
a
do it on
lot.
its side, not like you just stuck it into the ground, but okay.
No. Go ahead.
That's not, it's not what I was expecting, but okay. I thought it'd be like tilted, you know what I mean?
Really
This is
healthy.
sick.
That would look weird.
Okay. I need food. Oh wait, I have some things on me.
I got so much gravel.
Nice.
So Mango, when are you gonna
Yes.
get an axolotl?
I don't know.
Probably is not
I'm
going to.
about to go mining, so I might then, but
Maybe we can create an axolotl business, like a pet
Yeah,
adoption
just
shelter.
purchase an axolotl, but probably the
You
blue
can
one
rent an
has to be, like,
axolotl. You can rent like
Yes,
a
you
ton
can.
of axolotls.
But
And
then
also you can buy an
but
axolotl.
there's like
so-
rules. You can't if you rent one, you can't breed it.
Yeah, that would just be.
Or if you breed it, then we have to keep it. You can't
Yeah.
keep it. And you can buy baby axolotl. But if we get like a blue one and we end up breeding it, and there's like more than one blue one will be like 50 diamonds.
One for 50. No, I'd say they would all be like 10, and then the blue one would be 20.
Like, oh my god!
10 diamonds for a freaking axolotl is
No,
But
to buy one.
if you wanted to completely buy him, but for
no.
for renting, you could have like 1 diamond per week. Real week, not in-game week. And you can take them off for like temple raids and whatnot. But we'll still do it.
Hey.
Hi. And you can like
Can I-
pay for a fresh axolotl with no name, or you can just like buy one with a name.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go.
You have a spanner.
I have a spanner. What do you have?
Sweet. Ah, crap!
What?
I just fell into the sheep pen.
Where?
Okay, it's okay.
I have a lot
That's-
of dirt, apparently. I have 6 stacks and 5 dirt.
Yeah, I have a lot of dirt too.
I need to go mining.
I also need to go mining. Anyway, that's gonna wrap up this episode of Axolotl.
Empire.
Yeah, we basically did a lot of stuff with the axolotls. Next episode, we're gonna be working on our base and going to the Nether and getting some stuff for the Nether. From the Nether, that include blaze rods, so we can go to the end. Thank you guys all so much for watching. It's been ThatSwifty. Wait, comment hashtag axolotl if you made it all the way to the end of this video and you